Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwablooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at Analytical Geometry Class 8 A-Made Pearl package. So let's begin with the first question. The area of the triangle formed by the line 3x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. So in this question, we are supposed to find the area of triangle where a line is given to us. So here, first we have to find the values, right, a and b. So for that, we are going to use the intercept form of a line. It is x by a plus x by b is equal to 1. So now this same line, we are going to just send this plus 7 to the other side. So it is 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 7. That's it, done. Now what we are going to do, just as we all know, the formulas for a and b, that is a is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. It is c by a and c by b, right? So for that, so substituting in that, first will be a. First let's write the values. A is equal to, it is minus 7 by 3 as it is c by a. Clear? And then you have b, which is the y-intercept, that is c by b. This is c and this is b. Coefficient of y is b, coefficient of x is a. Clear? Now minus 7 by 2. Now these are the values for a and b. Now just we are going to substitute in the particular way. Right here we are going to substitute it. By substituting there only we got this values. Then we are supposed to find the area of triangle. So what is the formula for finding the area of triangle? It is half into modulus of AB. Modulus in the sense whatever is in the modulus, it is going to be positive. Now just finding that here, first half into modulus of a is minus 7 by 3 into b is minus 7 by 2, which is in the modulus, right, which is enclosed. So whatever you're multiplying, it is going to be in the positive way only. Now minus 7 to minus 7 is 49 and 3 2s are 6. Now 6 2s are 12. So it is 49 by 12 square units, and it is option D. Now let's look at the next question. Now we'll see the second question. Here we have to find the area of triangle for which a line is given, that is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 2. But here when you see that 2, you should be able to identify, yeah, it should be 1, because the format is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, right? So you should be able to identify, yeah, it should be 1. So what we're going to do, just send that 2 to LHS. If I send that 2 to LHS, here 1 will be remaining and this 2 will go to the denominators. So what will happen? It will be half of x by 3 plus, so plus half of y by 4. So separately it will come for both, right? Separately I have just done it. Now what will be the values? Here this will be 6 and the other one will be 8. So it is x by 6 plus x by 8 is equal to 1. Now this is the value of y by 8. Y by 8 is equal to 1. So this is the value of a, this is the value of b, right? So now a value and b value have been found. Just put it in the formula of area of triangle. What is the formula? It is half into modulus of a into b. So that would be half into, just substituting in that a and b, it is 6 into 8. It will be 6 8 size 48, 48 by 2, that is 24 square units, which is option C. So now third question is, you have to find the area of triangle as usual, but here they have given us the slope. M is equal to 5 in the sense m is slope, right? slope is being given and C is the y-intercept, as you all know. So these two are being given to us and we are supposed to make an equation and we are supposed to find out the area of this. So how do you find out? We have a formula, y is equal to mx plus c, in order to find out the equation for this. Right now, what is y? Y will be y only, because we are finding the equation, right? X and y will be variables in that equation. Now, then m is the slope, phi, x as it is, and then you have plus c is 3. So this is the equation, and when you are bringing this phi x term to LHS or bringing y to RHS and sending 3 to LHS, what will happen? The equation will turn into this: phi x minus y is equal to 3. So this is going to be the equation, right? Now just putting in that x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. If you're just putting in that formula, what will happen? X by a is nothing but, as I told, c by a, right? 3 by 5 minus c by a, that is minus 3 by 5, plus y, then b, it is c by a, then 3 by 1. Now you can just find out the x-intercept and y-intercept. This is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept, right? Now x-intercept and y-intercept, just I am writing here. X-intercept is minus 3 by 5 and y-intercept is just 3. Now these are the intercepts. Now when you want to find the area of the triangle, what you will do? Just using the same formula, that is half into modulus of AB. You're just going to substitute those values into this formula. That is half of minus 3 by 5 into 3. Okay, now when you are substituting in this formula, minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, but even though it is in the modulus, so it will become plus 9, and 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 9 by 10 square units. As it is area, we are just using the square units, option A. So yeah, next question is fourth one. You have to find distance between the lines y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. So here, now when you take a graph and see, this is y is equal to 3 and this is y is equal to minus 3. Now when you just extend it, what do you see? You see parallel lines, right? When you do it in a graph, obviously you are going to get they are parallel to each other. Now this parallel distance we have to find, right? So that is, it is going to be the same. So the formulas will be changing for if it is parallel or not. So let's do this problem. Now before doing this problem, you should know this formula. This is very much essential, so just note this. Now when you want to find some difference between distance between the two parallel lines, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, the formula which you're going to use will be this: modulus of c1 minus c2 divided by root over a square plus b square. So let's use this formula and solve this problem. Now in this formula, first we c1, it is 3. This first value of y will be c1, and c2, as you know, c is represented for intercept, c2 will be minus 3. And here you do, as we don't have a and b, as it is parallel, we're going to take a as 0 and b as 1. So generally also we'll be taking this only. Now when you wanted to find the difference using this formula, just substitute all the values which you have now into this formula. Just substituting it. Now c1 3 minus c2 is minus 3, right? Now when it is in modulus, whatever is happening also no issue, right? 3 plus 3 also 6 only, whatever it is. Now root over a square is 0 square plus b square is 1 square. Put this in modulus. Now 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 1. So 6 is the answer, option C. So fifth one, here in this we have to find the distance of point minus 1 comma 1 from this line. So there is one formula. Distance from a point to a line, this formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root over a square plus b square, which is an enclosed in modulus. So just we are going to substitute the values here in this x1 and y1. Just we are putting here x1 and y1 in this. So what will the point be? It will be minus 1 comma 1, as you understand it already. Done. Next part is to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that we are just going to put the line, that is 12x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, yeah, everything is done. Just we have to substitute in the formula. Now first, before that, we should find the values, right? We shall know the values, then only we will be able to understand it, right? So just substitute. First we will write what is a, what is b and all. First, what is a? A is 12. That's why I have written text down of it only. You can understand it clearly. What is b? B is minus 5, as you can observe that a coefficient of y. Next, what is c? C is positive 9. And what is x1? It is minus 1. And you find y1, which is 1. Now we are going to substitute in this formula. So just remember the formula. I'm going to substitute in that. ax1, so 12 into minus 1 plus we have by1, that is minus 5 into 1 plus c, that is plus 9, and divided by a square, root over a square minus b square, that is 12 square plus minus 5 whole square. Right, now when you simplify all this, you're going to get 8 by 13 square units. The simplification part is your work. Please do that, which is option C. Now next question is of different model, same formula, but here the line is origin itself. So what is the point of origin? A value will be 0, B value also will be 0. So instead of substituting all that values, just I have given the simplified formula, that is c by root over a square plus b square, because a into x1 0, it will get cancelled, like it will be out, and b into y1 0 into whatever it is 0 only. So this is a simplified formula for it. Now first, what is the a value? It is nothing but 0. B value is 1. As I told, when there are no values given, we are supposed to use 0 and 1. And what is the c value? It is 5, which is given already to us. Next, what we are going to do here is just substitute that in the formula. 5 by root over a square minus b square, 0 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but 5 by 1, that is 5. Next question we'll see. Next question is pretty simple, 7th one. We are supposed to find the perpendicular distance from minus 8 comma minus 5 to x-axis. Now answer is simple, it is 5 units, but you will be confused whether it is negative or positive. Now first, why it is 5 units also I'll be explaining. Just take a graph. Now here I'm going to just mark the perpendicular distance, in the sense it is just this one, right, which is straight 90 degree. So now we are asked to find that. Now so it is negative 5, right? First I will do minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and here minus 5 it is there. Now from here to the origin, right, to x-axis, when it is coming, it is the origin. Like this is the x-axis. So from this point to this point, from this minus 5 to the x-axis, it is going to be 5 units. But always remember, distance, as you all know, according to physics also, distance is always measured in positive units only. Only displacement is measured in negative. Leave about that. But distance is always in positive units. You can't say I went minus 60 kilometers there. You have to say only 60 kilometers, right? That's what. You will say 5 units. So next question is also like the sixth one, but here they have given us x cos plus y sin theta, etc. So first, this is the line. From the origin you have to find. So origin formula is this one, as I already mentioned. Right, so just first we'll find the values here from this equation. Now what is a here? A will be x cos theta, but x is the variable, right? So we are not supposed to mention the x. Coefficient of x only has to be written. So it is cos theta. Now what is b? It is the coefficient of y, that is sin theta. And what is c? It is the coefficient, that is c, that is, it doesn't have any variable, right? So it is minus tan theta. Now what to do? Just put these values here in this equation formula. So first, tan theta, c is tan theta, right? Just minus tan theta divided by what is a square? It is cos square theta plus b square is sine square theta, right? Now one identity you should strike in your mind, that is cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. We have learned this in trigonometry already. Now here only we will find minus tan theta by 1, that would be tan theta in the modulus, that is option D. So next, ninth one. So we have to find the angles between these lines. Okay. First one is y plus 5 is equal to 0, and other line is root 3x minus 5 minus 7 is equal to 0. So till now we have learned to find the distance, right? All the problems were related to that. Now we have to find the angles. So how to find these angles? There are some other formulae for it. For this we have a formula called tan theta is equal to, in modulus you will just write m1 minus m2, sorry, one second, divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 in the modulus. So this is the formula in order to find the angle between these. Now first thing, we have to convert this into y is equal to mx plus c. Here for this one it will be, for the first equation we will find m1, for the second one we are going to find m2. So first how to find that I'll tell you. Now this one, y is equal to mx plus c format if you are making, it will be y is equal to minus 5. That's it. Other than that you are not going to get anything else. So here this is just c, right? C value is minus 5. That constant value. Mx we don't even have. So here m1 value will be 0. When we needed a formula y is equal to m1x plus c. So this c is minus 5, but we don't have m1x, so it is 0. m1 is 0. Next, here this one you have to convert. This will be y is equal to m2x plus m2x plus c. Now this one, what you have to do, just send this y term to RHS so that it will become positive, right? Y term. So y is equal to this root 3x plus c. Understood? So here automatically you can understand that m2 is 3. That is simple only. You can understand that. Now m2 is equal to root 3. Now both the values which we want are found, right? m2 is root 3 and m1 is 0. Just substituting the formula is now 0 minus root 3 by 1 plus 0 into root 3. What will be the answer? It will be minus root 3. But here remember tan theta is there. Don't forget that. Tan theta. Now this one again, when we are solving it, it will be just here minus 3 on the top, and here 1 minus 3 by 1, but it is in modulus, so it will become only plus the root 3, right? So tan theta is equal to plus root 3. Now which tan is root 3? Tan 60 value is root 3. tan 60 value is root 3. Now what is root 3 is tan 60, right? So here just you will write. Now this root 3 is tan 60, right? Just we have put there, okay? So don't confuse with that. I'll just mark it neatly. This root 3 is tan 60. Just write it side to the side. Yes, tan, sorry, 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay, now next part of the next we will see. This tan will get cancelled. Then theta is equal to 60 degrees. So the angle which we have to find is 60 degree. Now these options you see, it is not given like directly, right? So for this, to go through the options, first option A I am going through. It is given as pi by 3. Now what is pi? It is 22 by 7. But according to angles, it is not 22 by 7. It is 180 degree, right? Should not forget that. 180 by 3 is how much? 60 degree. So it is the correct answer, A. So from 10th question, we will see in the next video. So do like, share and subscribe to Vishwablooms. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.